guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha. So today I have a video that I'm really excited about because I haven't done a video like this on my channel before. So a little bit ago in my recommended videos, I saw this video where basically this girl tried on a lot of pretty little things modeled outfits. So basically the outfits that they have the models on their website wearing. If you guys aren't familiar with Pretty Little Thing, this is not sponsored in any way. I have never ordered from them before this experience. They sell a ton of really affordable, super trendy items. And the reason that I wanted to do this video is a lot of their items and the way that they dress their models is super like Instagram trendy. It's the outfits you see on Instagram, but you don't really see people wearing in real life, if you know what I mean. Another thing that I've seen a lot with Pretty Little Thing videos is that the quality can be really questionable. So that was something else I wanted to kind of test out in this video. So I decided to take my own little twist on this video and wear Pretty Little Thing's modeled outfits to class for a week because I am a college student and the outfits that you see on Pretty Little Thing aren't things you would typically wear to a college class. So just to preface this video, I didn't go completely wild. I chose outfits that I thought I could like because, you know, I was spending my own money on this. I wanted to choose things that I might wear again. And I chose things that were appropriate for class because I'll put some more examples on the screen of a lot of the things that Pretty Little Thing sells. They would just not be okay for class. I would probably offend some people, honestly. So I'm going to go through the week. I think I'm going to start with the more tame outfits and then work my way up to the ones that are a little bit more out there. Oh, and before I start to show you guys the outfits, if you aren't following me on Instagram, it would mean the world to me if you do. I'm always posting a lot of outfit photos and that kind of stuff, so if you are into fashion, you should definitely check it out. Okay, so I have a picture of the outfits on my phone, and I didn't buy the shoes from the outfits just because I had shoes already in my closet that were similar. Okay, so the first outfit that I'm going to start off with, I'm picking it first because on Mondays I actually don't have class, but I do have a group project meeting. So I will be going to campus and I will be meeting with classmates. So to be honest, this outfit was not very bold. I thought it just looked really cozy and comfy, so I wanted to try it out, but I'm not typically one to wear a full-on grout-fit. So it was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but we will see. We're gonna try it out and hope that it doesn't give me a camel toe because she's conveniently hiding that area in this photo. Okay guys, so this is outfit number one. Right away I'm noticing some problems with the leggings. Basically this waistband is supposed to be folded down, but it's only secured down in the front and the back, so on the sides it's like flopping up, which looks really cheap. I think that these bottoms would be a lot better if they had like a drawstring waist or something. So I think I'm just gonna try and like safety pin it down. But I do really like the top actually. I like the idea of this set. It's just the pants could use some work, but I like the top. The only thing is if you raise your arms, make sure you're wearing a bra underneath. And I think it looks cute with the sneakers. Yeah, I'm gonna try and safety pin them and see how it looks then. Okay guys, so I'm currently headed to my group meeting and to get a coffee, and just from walking a little bit, these leggings are already starting to slide down even after I safety pinned them, so I'm really not feeling very confident in them. I don't know, I also just feel like this isn't a very like daytime outfit. It's more so like a chill in your house cozy outfit or go to the library at night outfit. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit weird, but let's go. Guys, no lie, I just walked by a lady and she said, cute outfit, so that's always a good thing to hear. So I'm back from my group meeting. It's dark out now. No one said anything about my outfit, but I didn't really expect them to because my group is mostly guys. But overall, I like the sweater. Probably will not wear the pants again, so I don't hate this look. Okay, this next outfit, I wasn't able to get the same exact top because it was sold out, so I just got the top that was recommended. Yeah, this outfit isn't like super bold, but it's definitely not something that I would ever pick out, and I don't think I would ever wear like shiny pajama looking pants to class. So yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, it is now day 2. I am in the outfit and I can start off by saying that it's really comfortable. I really like how it feels on. I do think that it looks a little bit sloppy. I think that if I had the sweater that the model was wearing with it, that was more of a sweater rather than the sweatshirt that they recommended to me, then I think it would have looked a little bit more put together, and I'm surprised by how much I like it. These pants also have really deep pockets, like they go down to here, which is really nice. I just paired it with my white Supergas. I didn't tie the laces around my ankle like they did because that was just unnecessary. These are kind of dirty, but they work. I still don't think it's something that I would wear. Ignore the sirens. Of course, they just keep getting worse. So, yeah. Okay, an update. I'm just walking back from class and a guy just told me that my pants were cool. So, who would have thought? They are popular among the guys and they're not even tight. So it's much later in the day now, hence the darkness, but a girl just told me that she liked my pants, so that is person number 2. Hello guys, it is nighttime now. I'm exhausted. I keep falling asleep, but I want to end off today. So I actually do really like this outfit. I would buy these pants in other colors if they had them. I actually got a good amount of compliments on them today from strangers, like not even my friends, just like random strangers, which is pretty cool. And the sweatshirt obviously is just plain, but it's comfy. So I'm gonna give this outfit a thumbs up. Okay, this outfit I could wear. I like red and I like cheetah, but I don't really think I would combine them into one, let alone for class. And I also don't think I would ever wear a fanny pack to class. It just doesn't really make sense. And then with the big hoops, it could all turn out a little bit trashy. Hello friends, so this is day 3 of this little outfit challenge. Today's outfit I actually do like. I think it's pretty comfortable and it's not as out there as I thought it would be, I guess. But I do have one problem with the outfit so far. So basically the fanny pack is supposed to go around the waist like this. But for me, in order to get it to fit my waist, I have all of this loose, I don't know, strap. And if I were to kind of pull it normally, this would be way too big. So I feel like the model probably would have just had this like tied or something, unless I'm looking at it wrong and I'm dumb. But I'm probably just gonna either tie it or tuck it in somewhere because I don't really want to have this tail. I have these shoes already around the house. It is a little bit extra, especially with these big silver hoops like the model had in, but overall it is pretty comfy and I'm not like mad about it. Yeah. Okay guys, I am headed to campus to go do some work, just some proof that I'm wearing the outfit. I ended up tucking the strap in behind and it works out pretty well. So yeah, just proof that I am wearing the outfit. Okay guys, so I was doing work on campus for a while, but it started to get really dark and cold and windy, and I actually think it's supposed to start raining. So if that's the case, I don't think that I'll be wearing this to my night class because I have quite a walk and I'll be very cold and wet. But we will see. Oh. Hello guys, I was laying down and I almost forgot to do my final verdict of the day. Overall, I don't hate the outfit. Will I wear it again? I don't know. I think the top would be really cute cut into a crop top, or like the dress I mean. Overall, decent outfit. Okay, this next outfit I actually really liked. I don't think it would be something I would wear to class just because I don't really wear like tight mini skirts with crop tops to class. I also didn't have the belt in this outfit, so I borrowed a similar one from my friend Deanie. Shout out to Deanie. I guess we'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is this outfit without the belt. I'm about to go grab the belt from my friend Deanie, so I'll show you what it looks like once I grab it. But this one is definitely closest to what I would actually wear. I saw this on their website and I was like, oh, that's really cute, I want to try it out. I do notice that this sweater is not good quality. It's pretty itchy and thin, and the neck is kind of like, it's not saggy, but it's not really like structured well. But I do overall like how this looks. It's not really comfortable. I'd probably wear this more like shopping or something like that, but overall I like it. Not the best quality. The zipper on the skirt was getting kind of stuck, but I think for the look and just having the overall look, it's pretty cute. So I'm headed to my sorority. I actually don't have class today, but I do have brunch at my sorority, and then I am going to go on campus because I want to go to the bookstore and get some Christmas gifts for people. But yeah, I am going to be on campus, just not specifically going to classes, but this outfit is pretty tame, so I figured that would be okay. Okay guys, so I just grabbed the belt. This is what it looks like with the belt. I'm in Alpha Phi right now, but I think it looks pretty cute. I already got a compliment, 2 compliments on this outfit, so yeah. Oh, and here's a better look at what I mean. The color is just like not super nice, but what do you think of the outfit? Alexis is my like designated reactor.
Hello! I like it. I love the boots.
Okay, the boots are mine. They're not pretty.
Oh. And I love the turtleneck. It's a vibe. I like it.
Okay.
And I like the skirt too.
Thank you. The turtleneck's pretty itchy, but like it's fine.
I mean, it's cute though. It's
yeah.
very fall.
It like looks fine, right?
It's like cropped because it's like very like LA fall, you know?
Yes.
I love it.
Okay,
love
awesome.
the outfit. 10 out of 10 for this one.
Yay! We're ending on a good note.
It.
Okay, guys. So as an update, I was going to the bookstore to buy gifts, like I told you, and I went to get a coffee beforehand, and apparently my credit card was deactivated by my bank. It's a long story, but basically I have no money now, so I opted out of the bookstore. I was on the phone with the bank for so long, but I'm still wearing the outfit. I really like this outfit, and I think I'm gonna end this clip here because once again, this is probably my favorite outfit of the video. Really like it, and yeah. Okay, and this last outfit is really where I decided to step out of my comfort zone. A, I would never wear this to class. B, I would probably never wear this in general. But part of me thought it was cool, so I thought I would pick it out for this video. And yeah, I really don't know. At least it looks like it'll be comfortable. Hello guys. Here is this outfit. This is actually the day after I wore it to class because yesterday it torrential downpoured, which was kind of funny because this is like rain jacket material. It didn't do the best job and I was soaking wet, so I didn't want to film this portion, but this is the outfit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm almost into it, but I would think of wearing the pieces separately, or it could be kind of cool for like an Instagram photo or something. It's decently comfortable. The only thing is that the shorts are pretty short, so when I was walking with my backpack, they rode up a lot. The top rides up once in a while, so I have to like pull it back down, but yeah. And then I just paired it with these little pull-on sneakers that I got in London. But yeah, let's see how my friends reacted. Hello guys. So first things first, it was raining this morning. Which way is the lighting better? Maybe this way. It was raining this morning, as you can tell by the ground. So that kind of worked out for this look. But I also only slept like max 2 hours last night, so I didn't have time to put makeup on. So ignore that fact. Here's the outfit. What I can already tell is that the shorts are riding up with my backpack, so anyone walking behind me will definitely see my butt cheeks. But you know what? I kind of think this is a look, especially on a rainy day, except that my legs are cold and I have not shaved. Other than that, like, I don't hate it. It's just like I definitely feel my butt out right now. I just passed someone that I kind of knew, but I looked at my phone and pretended I didn't see them because I didn't want to have to explain this outfit. Thoughts?
I think it's interesting. Interesting to say the least.
It works for the rain. It works for the rain.
I was gonna say, I honestly like the top. Like, is this? Oh, there's two.
It's a two-piece.
I thought this was one. Like, oh, it ties on the top.
Yep.
Huh.
How do you feel about my outfit?
What are the thoughts?
I mean, I think it's cute. It's a little out of place for the.
Would you wear it?
Look, it covered my head from the rain.
Well, then that's good.
It's just
Top
because
half
it's
is
raining.
great. No, top half is great.
So funny.
That's the overwhelming majority.
That's what I said too. Top half is good. Like, for working out.
No,
it's
yeah,
cute.
I was gonna say.
It's just
And
the
I-
shorts.
No, this short.
It's the circumstance. It's just
Yes.
so funny.
Okay guys, so I had to change, because on my walk back from class, I got stuck in a torrential downpour, which is not normal for LA, but the main reason I changed is because I have a final group presentation in my next class and I could not wear that. Honestly, I didn't hate how it looked. I think I would wear the top again, maybe with leggings or sweats or something, but I think the look together was a little much, but I didn't hate it as much as I thought I would, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so those were the outfits that were modeled on Pretty Little Thing that I wore to class. Let me know which outfit was your favorite and if you would wear these to class. And if you guys like this video, let me know what other stores you want me to try this with. I will try to link as much as I can down below that is still available. Yeah, as always, I love you guys so much and thanks for watching. Bye!